Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for my second look of Halloween 2018, I decided to do a super creepy demonic devil look. I really hope you guys like this makeup look as much as I did, and if you want to see how I did it, then go ahead and keep on watching. Jumping straight into this tutorial, I'm going to be applying some red face paint over the majority of my face and neck. I'm going to be leaving the forehead bare. Now I'm going in with these awesome black horns that I found at the Halloween store, and I'm going to be applying those to my forehead with some spirit gum, applying it to the bottoms of the horns and to the part of my forehead where the horns will be placed. Then I'm going in with my finger and tapping out that spirit gum to make it tacky. Going back in with that red face paint, I'm going to be applying that on my forehead. Going in with another dense fluffy brush, I'm going to be blending out the Kat Von D Lock of Concealer in whiteout in all the highlighted areas of my face. Going in with a darker red eyeshadow, I'm going to be contouring my cheekbones, jawline, and nose. Going in with the same dark red eyeshadow, I'm going to be using that as a transition shade for a black smoky eye. Going in with Kat Von D's liquid lipstick shade, fittingly named Exorcism, I'm going to be applying that on my bottom lip and smudging it out. Then I'm going to be going in with another liquid lipstick in the shade Witches and applying that on the bottom portion of the lip again and smudging it out with a brush. Going back in with that dark red eyeshadow on a smaller fluffy brush, I'm going to be shading in the outline of the star that I'm going to be putting on the center of my face. Going in with some black face paint on a detail brush, I'm going to be outlining the star shape that we made using that dark red eyeshadow. Still using the same black face paint and detail brush, I'm going to be using that to paint some symbols on the high points of my cheekbones and on the middle of my forehead. You can stop with a detail here, or you can do what I did and add some cracks around the horns and coming out from the center of the mouth. Using that dark red eyeshadow again, I'm going to be adding some more shading around the edges of the star. Going in with another detail brush and some Ben Nye White Cream makeup, I'm going to be applying that on the edges of the star and the symbols on my cheeks and forehead. Doing this will give the illusion that the star and the symbols on my face are more like lacerations or cuts. To complete this look, I'm going to be applying some black Sclera contact lenses. I really wanted to do a makeup look this year that was super easy for anybody with any skill level to create this year, and I really hope this makeup does that justice for you guys. I really hope you guys like this makeup look, and I'm super excited for you guys to see what else I have in store for you. But if you want to see what else I have coming, then go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on post notifications so you know when I post my next Halloween video. And until next time, you guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye!